I want you to get a self-help book. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind with Joseph Murphy. This is a powerful book. It'll set you back less than a large pizza. Do you have that much money to invest in yourself to make yourself better in all aspects of your life? I hope your answer is yes. I'm reading out of chapter 6. Before I go to chapter 7, I've been reading quite a few different things, so I have that on my channel if you want to check those out. I'm going to read a one page here in chapter 6, and this is called the argumentative method. This method is just what its name implies. It stems from the amazing work of Dr. Phineas Parkhurst Quimby, a pioneer in mental and spiritual healing who lived and practiced in Belfast, Maine over a century ago. He was really the father of psychosomatic medicine and the first psychoanalyst. He also had a remarkable capacity to diagnose clairvoyantly and the cause of the patient's trouble, pains, and aches. In brief, the argumentative method, as employed so successfully by Quimby, consists of spiritual reasoning. You convince the patient and yourself that the sickness is due to false beliefs, groundless fears, and negative patterns lodged in the subconscious mind. You reason it out clearly in your mind and convince your patient that the disease or ailment is due only to a distorted, twisted pattern of thought that has taken form in the body. This wrong belief in some external power and external causes has now externalized itself as sickness and can be changed by changing the thought patterns. You explain to the sick person that the basis of all healing is a change of belief. You also point out that the subconscious mind created the body and all its organs. Therefore, it knows how to heal it, can heal it, and is doing so now as you speak. I like that part. You also point out that the subconscious mind created the body and all its organs. Therefore, it knows how to heal it, can heal it, and is doing so now as you speak. You argue in the courtroom of your mind that the disease is a shadow of the mind based on disease-soaked morbid thought imagery. You continue to build up all the evidence you can muster on behalf of the healing power within, which created all the organs in the first place, and which has a perfect pattern of every cell, nerve, and tissue within it. Then you render a verdict in the courthouse of your mind in favor of yourself and your patient. You liberate the sick one by faith and spiritual understanding. Your mental and spiritual evidence is overwhelming. Since there is but one mind, what you feel is true is made manifest in the experience of the patient, and healing follows. Hey, if you're sick, you can heal yourself just by changing the thoughts in your mind, and this book gives you all kinds of ways on how to do that. It also gives you all kinds of ways how to be a better person and how to get what you want out of life. You've got to get this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.